Hey, what's up, you guys? Happy Friday. Catlin here. This is the first time I've jumped on live sharing my desktop screen. I noticed that was a new feature with Facebook Live. I'm always doing like these, screen sharing walkthroughs on YouTube teaching something. And I'm going live a lot of the times, but usually I'm just using my iPhone and I'm walking through the woods on selfie mode. So now that I saw that I'm actually able to share my desktop screen with you guys while going live on Facebook here, I thought it'd be super cool to jump on live, share my screen with you guys, and kind of do a walkthrough of the affiliate side hustle funnel. But before we kind of dive in here, I don't know if this whole screen share thing is working. Like, I'm looking at my screen right now and I'm seeing like a screen within a screen within a screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump over to another tab in my browser. And anybody that's live right now, if you just leave a comment below, let me know if you can see my screen, and then we'll dive into the training. So I'm just going to jump into another tab right now. And anybody that's live right now, Al, JR, any of you guys, if you just let me know, Kevin, any of you guys that are live right now, just let me know, can you see my screen? So right now I'm on the opt-in page for Affiliate Side Hustle here. Just leave a comment below. Let me know if you're able to see my screen as I switch between tabs here. Once I get confirmation of that, we'll dive right into the training and the walkthrough of the Affiliate Side Hustle funnel. So I'm just going to jump back onto Facebook here. Let me know if you can see my screen. Just leave a comment below. All right, perfect. Thanks, Kevin. All right, Jail. Yeah, appreciate it. All right, awesome. It looks like we're ready to rock. So you guys can see my screen. That's perfect. So you probably see me post a ton about this. I haven't done a live video yet, but I've been doing a ton of posts about it in groups, posts on my personal page, my business page, right? Everybody's talking about the affiliate side hustle. Everybody's taking this funnel, they're implementing it, and they're making money. And I'm getting a lot of messages on Messenger, and they're kind of like, Catlin, can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? And, I love helping everybody, teach everybody, help everybody I can. But at the same time, I've only got so many hours in the day. So I thought it's hard for me to help you guys one-on-one. But if I kind of do like a one-to-many here, where I'm helping like 50 of you guys at once, maybe I can give a little bit more value that way, and answer any questions you have. And as we go through the training here, folks, if you have any questions about the affiliate side hustle funnel or anything we talk about in today's live training, just leave a comment, and I'm going to jump back to the Facebook browser tab after here, and I'm just going to kind of go through the comments and answer any of the questions you guys have and make sure you know everything you need to know. All right, so affiliate side hustle, what is it? Well, basically, it's a complete business in a box, a complete system that I give people for free. And I've actually generated close to $2,000 US dollars per month in recurring passive income while I sleep in the last 3 weeks with this funnel. And I want you guys to get the same results. And we have a lot of other 6- and 7-figure a year marketers that saw the potential of this funnel, and they're also out doing the same thing. We have guys like Dan Frigo who are out promoting this to their audience. We have people rebranding it. My friend Jelani took this funnel, he rebranded it as Affiliate Kickstart. He's running YouTube ads to it, absolutely crushing with it. I'm getting messages literally every day here, folks, in my Messenger, where people are saying, Catlin, thank you so much for the affiliate side hustle funnel because you've helped me earn my first dollar online, or you've helped me sign up my first 5 ClickFunnels trials. I've been doing this stuff for months now. Haven't been able to figure out what's wrong. Been doing Facebook ads. I've been doing Google AdWords. I just haven't been able to sign people up for ClickFunnels. I haven't been able to make money online. But once I implemented the affiliate side hustle training, you made it so darn easy for me that I'm actually seeing results. Thank you so much. You've changed my life and you've changed my business. So as I'm receiving all these messages and comments, I've been screenshotting all of them. And my iPhone right now in the camera roll, it's realistically probably 80 to 100 screenshots I have of just testimonials for this funnel. Folks saying, hey, I've got results. I appreciate it. You've helped me earn my first dollar online, or you've helped me get my first 10 ClickFunnels trials. So eventually I'm going to probably compile some kind of social proof thing where I put all these screenshots in one image. But the fact is, I am making money, real money with this funnel right now. In the last 3 weeks, not only have I generated $2,000 a month of US dollars recurring passive income coming in while I sleep, but I've also collected close to 1,700 email opt-ins. And now those are folks that I can go back to and I can remarket to for the rest of my life, because unlike your Facebook friends list, unlike your Twitter followers, you own and you control your email list. And once you've got that email address, you can remarket to those folks for the rest of their life. So affiliate side hustle, it's deceptively simple. It's actually only a 2-page funnel. I'm going to walk you through both pages right now.